Rocks. Start your day the better way.
Rainbow Rocks, only $1.50.
Rainbow Rocks, they're so good, people will steal them from you. Only $1.50.
Hello, I'm Ben Knott. Today we're doing a taste test. Here we have Rainbow Rocks and here we have Fruity Pebbles. We're going to bring in the taste tester today to see which one tastes better.
This one is definitely better.
There you have it, folks. Rainbow Rocks. You can pick it up at any local convenience store for only $1.50. Oh, sir, you are tired. That's a Rainbow Rock. How do you feel? Pretty good. Rainbow Rocks, folks, only $1.50. Pick it up at your local convenience store.